Hello and welcome to another lecture of NFT course for absolute beginners. In this lecture, we will discuss that how to create NFTs on OpenSea. After this lecture, you will be able to add your NFT on OpenSea and make it ready. So first step is to design your digital art that will be in PNG, JPG or in SVG file, etc. It can be a custom painting, picture, music, video game, collectible, meme, or a GIF file, and even a tweet. Then go on OpenSea.io and sign up. Then set up your NFT wallet that we have discussed in previous lecture. Then make your collection. Now add your NFT in your collection. Your NFT is listed on OpenSea successfully. But remember, it is not minted right now. You have to set pricing by clicking sell on top of the screen. When you click sell, then you will be directed to sign this transaction with MetaMask extension on the right. While doing this, OpenSea will deduct a gas fee from your MetaMask wallet. There is a method with zero gas fees to mint your NFT as well. But we can mint on a different blockchain called Polygon, which we will discuss later in this course. If you have any confusion in the process, you can check this step-by-step diagram. That's it from this lecture. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.